Hey love, what you doing? You just woke up from a nap, huh? It's so good to be in here and play. Yeah. This is the camera, huh? Just, that's weird, it has a red light. Lots of a toy. I have to keep lots of toys in his crib for when he wakes up, so he can keep himself busy. Huh. Yeah. Maybe if I come tickle you. Oh, excited now. Tommy's just excited. Bye.